Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2021 Toyota Camry with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. We're having an issue where we are overheating. One of the radiator hoses is warm, the other one is cold, which indicates that the thermostat is closed and does not allow the coolant to flow through the radiator. So here we have original part from Toyota dealership. Cost me $52, and AutoZone or the other parts stores seem not to sell one, so I figured same price anyway, so I go ahead and get the original part. So first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do here, I have it on the ramps just to catch the fluid that is coming out. We're gonna go ahead and remove this panel here. It's held by some clips, and you're gonna go ahead and remove this air intake box. Okay, once you have the panel removed, there's two 10mm bolts holding this air intake tube here. Let's undo this. Air intake part here is removed. Our thermostat is located right there. So in order for us to get a better access to it, there is a 10mm holding the wiring harness here. We're gonna go ahead and get this wiring harness a little bit out of the way, disconnect couple connectors so we have a little more room to work under there. Alright, I have unplugged a bunch of plugs that is on my way, from starter bendix to AC compressor, the water pump. There's also a connector here on the water pump. Let's go ahead and remove that one. Connector is removed. Now we have two hoses running into it. A bigger one, it's the lower radiator one, and one on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those clamps and get those hoses out of the way. Okay, both radiator hoses are removed now. So the thermostat bolts are 8mm. The back one, I already have my longer, shallow or skinny 8mm attached to it with the attached there. I'm gonna go ahead and add another short attachment to it so I can easily remove the back one. So I personally like to use power tools. I have my long extension with the elbow coming through here where the starter in the front is, and now I'm gonna be able to use my power ratchet to get this one quickly out. Screw on the back side is out. Now we're gonna do the same technique on the front side using extension, because it's not very easy to work in this area here to undo it. So let's go, power tools. And just like this thermostat is out. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the mating surface where the thermostat sits against, and after that we are able to install our replacement one. Sits right here, so let's get to it. Okay, the thermostat is reinstalled to its original position right here. Use the same technique, long extensions, some elbows to line them up and tighten them down from further away with the power tool and then by hand. Now it's time to connect back the smaller hose, the bigger hose, the connector on it, and then rest of this wiring. All the hoses, connectors are back where they need to be. Now it's time to refill it with coolant, turn our car on, put it on heat, on the lowest speed on heat, so it circles through the heater core inside as well, and we keep topping it up, and once it's on operating temperature, we can turn off the car. We can get the proper fitting here and vacuum the system using the vacuum tool, and after that you're good to go. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it's helpful. Like and subscribe.